Woo. So yeah, I guess this is episode 2 or part 2, whatever it is, man. Love harm. And we are at toll booth number 1. So the thing is, we, oh damn यार, यहाँ पे भी पैचेस है भाई. यहाँ पे भी रैंड करना चालू कर दूँ क्या अब? I'll give you an overview. So there would be total of 4 tolls. The first toll is over here, and the cities, there are 2 major cities which we will bypass, and those are Satara and Karad. So the distance of Satara from Pune is 120 kilometers, and after Satara we will reach Karad. So the distance of Karad from Satara is 60. Why am I telling you guys like I'm teaching something? So yeah, okay, alright. And from Karad to Kolhapur it's gonna be 80 kilometers. So it's a sprint race. I mean, it's not gonna be a full throttle race, man. There are small bits and pieces which we need to complete, and I feel like we need to put our ND16 filter cause the sun is pretty much up. So yeah, that's one thing. The another thing is we need to refuel our bike. So yeah, these are the 2 important things.
A few minutes later,
I did my बाइक का रिफ्यूलिंग और मेरा भी रिफ्यूलिंग हो गया है. नाउ आई एम एट अ स्टेबल पोजिशन टू राइड, बिकॉज वाट लगी पड़ी थी भाई आधे 1 घंटे से मेरी. तो द अमाउंट ऑफ सफरिंग आई हैव गॉन थ्रू is so damn immense. I can't even. Oh, shit. Shit. What did I even witnessed? Subh. Whoo, let's go. चकसा निकल गया मेरे प्यार के पल निकल गया. मोजा ही मोजा प्यार का है, मोजा ही मोजा मोजा ही मोजा. What exactly is highway syndrome, or we can say ride syndrome as well. So the thing is, when you are in a constant state of any activity, there is a delusion happening in your mind, right? For example, we'll take the riding instance. So what happens is, when you are at a constant speed for a longer duration of time, there comes one moment when you start to blur out, man. Tricky part is you don't even get to realize it unless you get deeply involved in that thing. When you are deeply in that state and there is a sudden motion of your eyes, that's exactly when you get to know that हाँ भाई कुछ तो अलग हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And to avoid this syndrome, one can keep on checking his mirrors, or just keep your eye activity going on, or talk to yourself, or yeah, that's the major part to avoid those things. It has happened with me as well quite a lot of times, where this things usually happens when there is a long straight road. Let Masi go. Masi. Yeah, so when there is a long straight road and you are at the speed of 90 and 100, and the only way to come out of it is when you blink, and it's like, damn, what the are? And it's risky, man, it's freaking risky. It's time to throttle up now. Oh yeah, and welcome to Highway 2. Oh baby, it's part 2. The thing is, I'm planning to go to Hampi this December end. I mean वो 25th का जो weekend है ना. But the question is it a good season to visit Hampi right now? I went to Hampi once when I was in 11. Look at the condition, man, of this road. And they all this highway. ये highway
पहले नगर पालिका को बुलाओ, भोसड़ी वाले गड्ढा भेजे। अरे देर बाद में सुरक्षित होगा, पहले गड्ढा सुरक्षित कराओ।
Damn, man. How can one call this a highway? No wonder why accidents cases are increasing in India. I mean, if you serve this kind of road, तो award winning riders हैं हमारे पास. Not only riders, man, drivers, everyone is in their own zone while riding or driving. And ऊपर से you are giving this kind of road. It's a joke, man. It's such a big joke. हाँ भाई, पता है पॉपुलेशन कम करना है तुमको, लेकिन ऐसे करोगे? डार्क हो गया भाई, सॉरी man. I don't know why, but I'm feeling so much happy right now. Even though I'm suffering with this wind noise since last 1 hour, I don't know what's wrong with my helmet. It has never been like this, but कोई ना, ठीक है, fine. I have put in cotton in my ears literally because the wind noise is so freaking huge. But damn, man, this is peak happiness, yaar. This is peak happiness. So yeah, I want to clarify one thing about the roads. I didn't mean कि सभी रोड ऐसे ही है. Suppose 80% of the road is good, which is not actually. Well, suppose 70% of the road is good. I am blaming that 30% of the road. It's fine if it is 5 to 10% of the roads which is damaged. We can understand, man. But if you are serving us 30%, 40% of the roads in bad or worst condition, then obviously people are going to give galis. See, now this road I'm perfectly fine and I am loving to ride my bike on this particular road. I have no issues. So yeah, that's what I wanted to clear. I didn't mean कि सभी रोड में बकवास है, ऐसा नहीं है. I really admire the government's work. It's just that we need to push them to do the unfinished work, right? Yeah, that's what I wanted to clear. That's all. down, 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 down. ये अगर गिर गया तो बहन फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन 6 नहीं भाई, मर जाऊंगा ऑन द स्पॉट. खट डायरेक्टर खट. So yeah, we have reached the second toll, and Satara is what, 10-15 kilometers away from here. Feels good, good, good. One more hunter over there. Is that a hunter? Yeah, that's a hunter. भाई काय करतोय? Why is he honking, man? The what's wrong with people, man? How far even are you going to go by honking? Oh yeah, toll number 3 is over here, and we have completed 70% of our journey. Damn, the survival mode is pretty much on now. Whoosh. Hi. So the thing is, my battery of the GoPro literally died in middle of the shoot, and thankfully I came to realize that, and I kept my power bank with me just for the backup, because I knew it won't last till I reach Kolhapur. So yeah, the current update is that we have passed Karad, We might reach in an hour. I had a stop at McDonald's. I ate just to refuel myself, and yeah, I guess I'll end part 2 over here right now, cause I have some things in my mind which I'll do it in my last part. That is gonna be part 3. So yeah, ciao, see you, bye 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 bye.